a stone is thrown in a vertical upward direction with a velocity of 5 meters per second. So it is thrown up, straight up. If the acceleration of the stone during its motion is 10 meters per second square in the downward direction, what will be the height attained by the stone and how much time will it take to reach there? So we are looking at a stone being thrown, right? So for that we need to have a ground. That's our ground. Then it's been thrown, so stone. Say a kid throws it up, that is you guys, and it will reach the peak over there. So it is pulled down by what? Gravity. That you guys know. So basically the acceleration is downward and it's equal to 10 and it is minus 10. The reason being the motion is up but the force is down. So the acceleration is negative. Okay. So you'll understand this better in time. For now, you please try to see to that. Whenever you see an force which is opposite to the motion, your acceleration will be negative. This is something that you guys have to remember. Then we have the initial velocity to be 5 meters per second, and that's it. So I'll give you guys a clue. At the top, what happens? Specifically with the velocity. The object comes to rest. That is, the final velocity becomes 0. Does it make sense? The object will come to rest, is it not? For a fraction of a second, it just over there at the top, that is at the peak. It has to come to 0. If not, how can, if not, it will continue moving up. From here, it will have a velocity, and as and when it goes up, it becomes 0 and then starts falling down. And that's why this is 0. So basically, this is all that you have to write in the diagram. You can't miss any one of this. So diagram over here is very important. The entire diagram. So what and all have been given. So we are throwing a stone at 5 meters per second. Then the acceleration due to gravity is minus 10 meters per second square. The final velocity turns out to be 0. That's the whole idea, right? If you throw something, it will come to a halt at the top. We are trying to figure out how much time will it take to reach top and how much distance is it traveling. Now we are looking at the working. What formula to use? Well, we can begin with V is equal to U plus AT, right? So we have V which is 0, U which is 5, acceleration which is minus 10, and T. Again, I just wrote this formula, and here all the three happen to be known and one is unknown, so we are pretty much done, right? You can use this directly. So minus 10t, if you transpose it, is 10t is equal to 5 divided by 10 both the sides. And t is equal to 0.5 second. Since this answer is something that we have to figure out, I converted it into decimal. Next is S is equal to ut plus half AT square. Does this work out? We have we have T also. Acceleration also we know. Yes, this will work out. So this would be equal to, what is U guys? U is 5, time is 5 by 10 plus half into minus 10 into time again is 5 by 10 into 5 by 10. So this would be 25 by 10, or what we can do is we can take 25 out common. Oh no, we have this, that will get cancelled. Then I'll show it to you guys. 25 by 10 minus, right? This is minus 1. Minus 10 divided by 10 is minus 1. So minus of 25 by 20. 25 by 20. So you can take LCM actually. Why to take common? It's not a big deal, right? 2 by 2. So this will be 50 by 20 minus 25 by 20. And the difference is 25 by 20. And this would be equal to 1.25 meter. And a final statement regarding what happened. The stone reaches the top in 0.5 second. Height is 1.25 meters. That's your answer.